If you're wondering why, like there's no sound and all that, it's because I don't want to get copyright claimed. Let me just go and make sure. Right. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm on a different channel, it's because I just decided to start all over. Because I started kind of all over on a brand new device. But anyways, let's go ahead and hit 6 million points. I've been going at it for about 2 hours, soon to be 2 hours, and I've died a few times. Oh, do not die. Great, Silent Beast mode starts now. If you're wondering why I'm blinking so much, I have no idea. But anyways, back to Silent Beast mode. Yes. Okay, I don't know if this will take me over 6 million. Probably not. Yep, I was correct. Not. Anyways, there have been quite a few glitches, and I mean, it's kind of annoying, whenever you get a random glitch, and you're not expecting it, and you're like, what happened? And you're also trying to pay attention and not crash. It's kind of devastating if you're like doing a new best score or a top run. Oop, less than 100,000 before we hit 6 million points. And guys, if you're wondering why my voice is going to be changing over the next few months and possibly years, because I'm now a teenager. My birthday was January 1st this year. So I am now 13. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Great. If you're wondering why I have a times 35, it's because of the character I'm using Festive Fresh. And he apparently has a +5 score bonus. 2, 1. And we hit the 6 million, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go to 7 million. I'm gonna see y'all guys whenever I'm getting close to 7 million. Alright guys, we're back. We're about to hit the 7 million point mark. Although I wasn't in full beats mode because I died another times, and I haven't used up any keys. I have been using advertisement save me's. Oop, get your back in, let's go. So, what I may or may not have told you is this will be my best score ever. we can see, I have a little bit less than 300,000 left before I can just go on kind of infinitively, or until I just decide that enough is enough, and less than 2,000, less than 1,000 left. And we hit 7 million points, baby. Yeah, let's go. Now, time to get rid of the person on the right side of your screen. And possibly get to 30,000 coins. So I can then work on even more, even more hoverboards and characters. Jetpack, yeah. You'll get to see some skill. Ooh. Right. Wow. I don't know how I didn't lose that hoverboard. Less than 100,000. And guys, I don't know if I should go. I might just play until I get about 10 million points. Cause, so move y'all real quick. I set a timer for 6 hours and 15 minutes. And I've been playing for almost 2 hours. So yeah. Beast all day, dude. Maybe a rough life, but of course, because it is the beast life. Right. Oh gosh. I guess I'll just go ahead and do this so I can get my mind on something other than Subway Surfers. No. Do not want you, Google Play. Oh gosh. Oh, by the way, no head starts and no score boosters. Because I really don't use them that much. Although I do use hoverboards, which is logical. Try to get 30,000 coins. And, I'm probably gonna go to bed. Maybe. Unless I just decide to continue in this run, which I don't know. That depends on how many points I have. Whew. Depends on how many points. That depends on how many points I have whenever I get to 30,000 coins. Of course, you know what? Oh, we did it, baby. Yeah. got rid of myself on the right side of your screens. Hold on, so y'all can hear the animation. I'm gonna have the audio, but not the music. Yeah. And I've done the entire, season hunt in about either 2 or 3 days. Which is very surprising, considering there's usually about 40 in each season hunt. $30,000 coins, baby, yeah. Right. Let's just go ahead and crash. We're going to a train. Right. 9 million points, baby, yeah. Let's get a screenshot for that. Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright, let's collect all the mystery boxes. Oh. I was kind of hoping we would get like 10 million points, but hey, 9.5. Key, let's double up those keys. Yeah. I do not care about this, but go ahead and do it. Because I'm a beast. No. Also, I was in second place. But then I got over 2 million points. Well, I had gotten a little bit over 2 million, and then I got over 7 million points. And then now, I don't know why I keep on licking my lips. Sorry guys, one more score booster. And now I should be in the top realm. Even though there's only about 2 people. Jeez, how many mystery boxes did I get? Oh my gosh. It would be super lit. Yeah, it'd be super lit. And, yeah, take a screenshot for that. Yeah. Alright. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment and subscribe and tell me if I should do more Subway Surfer videos. Yeah. But first, let's complete the new acrobatics. Score 140,000 in one run without jumping or rolling. Yeah. And the daily video thing. Anyways, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And guys, if y'all want, y'all can check out my TikTok account. Link, I don't know if I'll put it into the description, but peace out.